Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're gonna get filthy. Filthy, gross. For today's tutorial, you're going to need a glass of water, a toothbrush, one you don't mind getting wrecked, preferably one that has not been in your mouth, and some neutral eyeshadow palettes. Cheaper and busted is probably better. Alright, we did fangs. We did cuts. Today we're going to do filth. So I'm going to bust open these. I usually do this honestly in my own time with water activated paints or alcohol based paints. But since I realized that this series is being made for people that maybe don't have a really professional kit or access to that, that's why today I'm using old eyeshadow palettes. You're gonna want stuff that has brown tones or blacks. I'm going to soak my brush in water, my toothbrush, and I'm going to get right into that palette. You are going to make a mess, so make sure it's a palette you really don't care about. These are dollar store palettes. I don't even remember why I bought them or how I had them in my possession, but here they are. Then we're going to get close to the face and close your eyes. And you can build this as much or as little as you want. The further away you pull, the lighter your flicks are going to be. The closer you get, you're going to get high impact. So it's going to group together. There's this like terracotta colored one in here and I want to try it just to see what it looks like. Ugh. God, I can tell this eyeshadow is cheap. It doesn't want to do anything. Dirty. Areas that I often build up around are if you want to like age somebody, you can go under the eyes and add more there to like sink them or make them look like demonic. If you want to add age too, you can flick more around here and accentuate these lines. If you're going for something that's just, you know, dirty. Here we are. We're dirty. You can, you know, smudge into using that same brush. And I blend out the hard edges, those square edges with my fingertips. again. So if I want something that's more opaque, I would use water activated, and if I want something that's going to be really translucent and really realistic and build really nice, I would use alcohol activated paints. Get you looking disgusting, like you've seen some shit.